I found a family of 7 cats, and then I kept all of them. I found Mama Rosie outside the day she had her 6 babies on Valentine's Day 6 months ago, and I wasn't gonna, hey mommy, she's right here, hey. I wasn't gonna keep the babies, maybe 2, and then I was like, I'll let Mama decide. Whichever ones she likes, I'll keep. And she never stopped loving them and being a mama to them. So I just kept all of them. I'll do anything for these cats now. But yeah, I went from 0 to 7 cats in one day. And I wouldn't have it any other way.